Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get every secret animal in Rodeo Stampede in the jungle. 1. Cock-a-doodle-dile. In order to unlock the cock-a-doodle-dile, it's captured like any other crocodile, except that it's only available 3 a.m. and 10 a.m., which means if you want to get it, you gotta wake up early in the morning in order to get it, and then it will appear. Second, platypotamus. In order to unlock the platypotamus, you must ride on a hippo for 25 seconds. It is possible at the normal part before 1,000 meters, but it's way easier for 2,000 meters because there are more water pools that you can, go in to keep being on the hippo. And then the platypotamus will appear. Third, Dinosaurus. In order to get the Dinosaurus, you have to ride on 7 different animals. Now, if you don't know what that means, it means that you can't ride on a different species of toucan and ride on 7 different ones. No, you have to do entirely different creatures altogether. So like a boar, from an alligator, to a gorilla, to a rhino, to a hippo, to an alligator, and so on. And then after you have ridden your 7 animals, the Dinosaurus will appear. Fourth, free can. In order to unlock the free can, you must jump 85 meters from a toucan onto another animal, and then the free can will appear. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and bye-bye!